Hello everyone guys, welcome to my channel Infinity Buzz. Till now if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel for more interesting updates on Android Authority. Okay, let's get started. Today in this video I am going to tell about how to root Vivo V9 using King Root app and root your device also. Now, steps for installing twrp in Vivo V9. Open the King Root app and root your device. After rooting your device, make sure to reboot it once. After the reboot, head to the Flash 5 app and tap on the recovery. This will open a list of devices where you have choose your Android device. Now twrp will start downloading and the installation will be successful after Flashify reboots your device. Method 2. Till now I have discussed about method 1. Now method 2. Method 2 to flash twrp in Vivo V9. First of all, try the first method as it's pretty easy and the riskless work. And in case it doesn't works, then you can try this one. In some countries it will not work, so based upon the ROM and build version it will not work, so you can try another method also. In case of okay, first of all connect your Vivo V9 to PC using a USB cable. Now paste the twrp image in fastboot folder. I will keep the twrp link in the description. Now go to the fastboot folder. Head to the fastboot folder, hold the shift and right, click on the empty area and open the command prompt. After pasting your twrp in your PC, open that folder and place your mouse on empty space, and by holding the shift button click the right button of your mouse. Then you can see there open command prompt option. Okay, then after opening that, please follow the instructions. Now click on the empty area and open the command prompt from the options that you see. Okay, to boot in fastboot mode, give the following command: adb reboot bootloader. You should have to give exactly what there in the matter. I mean, you should not even type the wrong spelling also. Be careful. Okay, now check if the PC has recognized your device or not. To check this, give the following command. After giving that, it will show some address. I mean, it will confirm that one device is connected to this PC like that. Now check if the PC has recognized your device or not. To check, give the following command: adb devices. Now you will Android in the command prompt, which means your device is successfully connected to PC. Now you have to give following commands to install twrp recovery on Vivo V9. See, copy and paste this uh, 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 fastboot recovery dot image. Copy and paste this. I mean, yeah, this you have to copy and paste in the command prompt without any errors. I mean, any spelling errors. Now twrp recovery installing process will start on your device. Now give the following command again to reboot your device. Fastboot reboot. Now your device will reboot and you can use it normally. That's all. This is how you can install twrp recovery on Vivo V9. For more information, go to this link. We hope that you have now successfully installed twrp recovery on your Vivo V9. Also let us know why you have installed twrp recovery on your Vivo V9 comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. And one more method is there. Hi, this is the you can put the comments here. So one of the comment is, hi, King Root not working for this phone, download twrp recovery of your Vivo V9, link added soon. So this is the link. How to download twrp for your phone. OME unlock enable, developer mode enable, USB debugging enabled, adb fastboot bootloader, enter fastboot get war all. So these are the steps you should have to follow. Next, fastboot flashing unlock enter field. Download this adb file, okay, which will successfully root your Vivo V9. Okay guys, thank you.